Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WooCommerce category structure for dropshipping navigation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce section in the left-hand menu. Click on products and then select categories. Here, you will see the option to add a new category. Fill in the name field with the desired category name. Optionally, add a slug for a user-friendly URL. You can also add a description for better SEO. Next, set the parent category if you want to create a subcategory. Choose the appropriate parent category from the drop-down menu. You can also upload a thumbnail image to represent the category. Once you've entered all necessary details, click that Add New Category button. Repeat the process to create additional categories and subcategories as needed. After creating your categories, go back to the WooCommerce section. Now select Products and then All Products. To assign products to categories, click on a product name to edit it. Scroll down to the Product Categories box in the right sidebar. Check the box next to the relevant category or categories. Update the product by clicking the Update button. This ensures that your products are organized under the correct categories. To check if the categories are displayed correctly, click on your site's homepage. Navigate to the shop page and see the category structure. Adjust the layout and presentation of categories using a page builder if needed. Use custom menus to enhance navigation by organizing categories. Go to Appearance and then Menus in the WordPress dashboard. Here, create a new menu or edit an existing one. Add your product categories to the menu by selecting them from the list. Arrange the categories in the desired order by dragging them. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, click Save Menu. Finally, review your site to ensure smooth navigation for shoppers. Make any necessary adjustments in category names or arrangements as needed. Your WooCommerce category structure is now optimized for dropshipping navigation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.